English Language Arts, Module 1 Overview, Grade 4. Becoming a Close Reader and Writing to Learn, Native Americans in New York. The guiding question: how can our school benefit from the beliefs and agreements of the Iroquois? The big ideas: peace can be created and sustained through agreements and actions. Clear communication can help to improve communities. There are 3 units in each module. Within each unit, there are 2 assessments. Mid-Unit 1 assessment: answering questions with evidence from text. Students will read an unfamiliar text about Native Americans in New York. Students will answer questions using evidence from the text. End of Unit 1 assessment: on-demand writing is a paragraph to explain the symbols on their flags. Students will write an explanatory paragraph about the class flag and how it connects to the text they have read so far in the module. Note: this is a writing assessment. Students are not assessed on the artistic quality of their flag design. Mid-Unit 2 assessment: reading, note-taking, and paragraph writing. Students will read a new excerpt from the text The Iroquois. Students will take notes using a topic expansion graphic organizer. Students will write a paragraph in response to the following prompt: what is the Great Law of Peace and why is it important? Students will cite evidence from the portion of the text. End of Unit 2 assessment: evidence-based paragraph writing. Students will select a scene from Eagle Song in which the main character displays the beliefs of the great peacemaker of the Iroquois. Students will then write an explanatory paragraph. Students will include details from the informational text and evidence from the literary text. Students will explain how the main character is upholding traditional values. Mid-Unit 3 assessment is on-demand reading to determine the main idea and supporting details. There will be an independent reading of data set and communication strategies. Students will answer literal and inferential questions using evidence from the text. Students will also answer questions about the main idea of the text. End of Unit 3 assessment is an on-demand paragraph writing. Students will review the data about conflicts in schools that they examined earlier in the unit. Then students will write a paragraph using the problem-solution structure. Students will explain how their class constitution will help prevent or resolve issues illuminated by the data. The performance task criteria. In this performance task, there is a 2-part performance task. Students will collaborate to create sections of a constitution. They will revise to create a powerful message, and then, independently, they will write a paragraph to explain their constitution. The student section of the Constitution will include a clear description of the rule they wish to implement, language specifically chosen to inspire the reader, and attention to the use of conventions and 4th grade spelling words. The paragraph will include a clear topic sentence that helps the reader understand the topic, supporting facts and details, linking words and phrases, language specifically chosen to explain the topic, a concluding statement, and attention to the use of conventions and 4th grade spelling words. The protocols that you will see in this module include the Think, Pair, Share, Simple Critique, Cold Call, and Gallery Walk. Please note with the cold call that you need to ensure that the students that you are calling on know the answer, meaning this, that you have evidence that they know where you're headed, what you're talking about, and if you do not think they do, this is a part where when we look at supporting students, you make a decision about how you prepare those students. For example, in supporting your students throughout this module, you will want to provide a partially filled in graphic organizer for students that have special needs, or at this part of the session, they just need some extra support. You will want to consider using sentence starters, audiobooks so students that need to be read to can be, anchor charts that are created and then referenced to and students learn how to use them, step-by-step instructions on how to use anchor charts, modeling your expectations, paragraph frames, taking advantage of conferring with students. This is the end of this module. Thank you.